In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download your Google Sheets app on the App Store using your iPhone. So I've done this with the Android already, and this time we're going to do it with an iPhone. So we're going to start with the App Store, which is right here. Let's just tap on it. Here we have it, and at the top you have your search bar right away. Just tap on that and type in either Sheets or Google Sheets. And here we have it. So I've previously downloaded this app, and if you do, this is what you're going to get. If we just tap on that, we have that cloud sign with the arrow down, which if we do tap, it will automatically start your download. Now, if you're trying to download this for the first time, you'll have something like this where you have the option to just get it. If we do try and tap on get, this is just an example. Let's say we're trying to do Microsoft Excel. If we tap on get, it will ask us to double click to install your power button on the right. If you do that, that's just a confirmation that you are going to download this app. Once you do that, it will automatically start your download, and it will have the option open ready for you to tap. So let's tap on that. Here we have it. We have our introduction to the Google Sheets app on our iPhone, which we can browse on. There we go. And once you're done, just tap on the sign in at the bottom left. So you're going to be signing in with your Google account or your Gmail account, and you're just going to select it there, or you can log in. Either way, you can just continue with your account. And here we have it. So that's how you can download the Google Sheets app from the App Store using your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.